Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of web development. Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, this video will give you a glimpse into the exciting possibilities that await you in this field. So, let's get started. Web development is all about building websites and web applications. It involves a combination of programming languages, frameworks, and tools that help bring ideas to life on the internet. The foundation of web development lies in three core languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML provides the structure and content of a web page. CSS adds style, layout, and design to make it visually appealing. JavaScript brings interactivity and dynamic functionality to the website. One of the key aspects of web development is creating responsive websites. With the increasing use of mobile devices, it's essential to ensure that websites adapt and look great on various screen sizes. Responsive design uses CSS and media queries to adjust the layout and content based on the user's device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or desktop computer. Another critical aspect of web development is server-side programming. This involves using server-side language like PHP, Python, or Node.js to handle server requests and process data. Server-side programming enables dynamic content, database interactions, and advanced functionalities like user authentication, form submissions, and more. Web development frameworks provide ready-made tools and libraries to simplify the development process and enhance productivity. Modern code editors provide features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging tools, making the development process faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.